yititi yi yototo mu America catch them. Ye wo American nko ade ye de wa ha ade bebrem watin komo na se. Ene ma hye menua baransa na meni menua betwetwe komo na aha aye yonkers. Ye ka yonkers e ka America ho. When we say yonkers is part of America watin komo na se. If you bronze now buy yonkers. Ai na me am wa ha de na me American na nkasa chem. Menua sugar na ho te say. What say we ase? What say we ase? Chama na mukro mo de say.
I bend it.
Me enko bi mana. What's serious? Mini sugar na chichun komo na ha yonkers sugar e ka yonkers e ka a state of New York.
Yes. Yonkers is a city New York under the Westchester County.
Okay.
Just you share boundary with the New York City. New York City near Bronx, Manhattan, Queens, Brooklyn, and I think the fifth either Staten Island or Long Island, one of them. It's 5 boroughs.
Wow.
2 free more New York City, but now about Yonkers. And I say under Westchester, no, Yonkers is the first city starting Westchester.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
And it's the biggest city in Westchester.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Yemra ya baha ya hu se kro nim de mu ofeda da broche do bi anim se mu ofeda, but there is this story a wo hanta me ma ya ba se yemra ne medi nkomo.
Yeah.
Me hu ginya me hu sankofa me hu niema then a holdy san niema we nyina. What makes this place so easy? Ayama sankofa ne sa ginya me yi na ye be ko won so.
Yeah, ba no be hu say ne ye hu like
ye nante yenko aha
ship dockyard yard biwo plan so.
Okay.
So in the several years ago, Tamana slave trade because Yonkers was a place now the slaves neighbor.
No, I know I'm actually soon so he's soon at the
Yes, it was a means of transporting slaves from several parts of America to this place.
Okay.
Tiusha in Kolani be on 2 on mono, they be starting free in here. Slaves need be man no.
Wow.
Yes. Now Papa we he was one of the friend is saying Kofona normal champion slave trade.
Na so we won na champion. Yeah. Among for the omoba, na so omo na church slaves no.
African continent near draw no. Europe near what top
no.
And Middle East near water side.
Wow.
Now Baha no higher South America. America na was no number. South America Tiusha slave trade no now you begada most of them most of our biggest castle West Africa, which is Ghana.
Sure.
Sure. Christian Book, which is Accra.
Wow.
They are nice in West Africa. Now when they transfer, you bet then they ship them to the Caribbean. Jamaica, Haiti, all those islands, Then from there, they bring them to the Americas, American continent, Europe. So depending on country or colonize or from Ghana or West Africa.
Okay.
Now or they call the countries so Portuguese or Portugal, Spanish for the whole call America for the over America, British for the whole call
British.
Great Britain.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. Casamitio.
It's a Ghana for a bahano. Omuntina yenya sankofa ne sane ma no.
Yeah, so we Ghana you play a very big role in slave trade. Ntina Abesha, you were the slave market or Salaga. Yeah, what trades now from Salaga to Asima, so they are no more here last bath. And Sana, you don't castles, then they go through the gate of no return through the ships, then they ship them to wherever they were taking them to. Ghana, they will play a very big role in the slave we say. I'm not surprised say Ghana symbols Binma, it shows how strong as Africans. Now because Ghana the symbols has a lot to say, it has a lot to tell us.
Sure.
Sankofana wa hanmo. Sankofana which
Sankofana wa han okay, what say? But cameraman Ben ye na me kan kire omo. O se Minu kan kire o kan, minu kan sugar kan ma.
O se wo refi no wo sankofa yenchi. Yeah, we kind of brought for us. We must go back and reclaim our past so we can move forward. We understand why and how we came to be who
we are today. Yeah. Wow. So in the tintin say o san wo chi na o sa akofa yenchi because the symbol in the hand is our edinkra na nkasa so da ha jinyame sure jinyame
and the actual Angola, Madagascar. These are some of our countries in our continent,
Okay.
Another symbol we another edinkra brabe hwe wa ha.
Another
edinkra we so be hu ya.
Yeah, edinkra no suni.
Now by nim here so
Funtu friendfu denchen friendfu. Omafu bom. Didi ano yeah.
That is another Edim class.
Wow,
These are some of the
slaves.
What is it? Portrait of the slaves in the Binoma.
Wow.
To be sure, Oba wako so oko fomo se deba di Ukraine nama or they call.
Wow. Na bibi say no as a Ghanaian Oba na who bibi say na. Yeah na when je because to see it in class was near the
seriously me ba for na me hu na I was so happy, I was so proud say Ghana ye be wo your national symbols be say displayed in a foreign country. So my beton conform more try to figure out what it is. And I'm explaining at Tromo. I even use Google to prove to them say, hey, these are Ghanaian symbols and these are their meaning. You know, BBT say Jinya Meno, like what, and I try to explain to them say Jinya Meno chese nyame pe except God.
Except God.
Yes, say Nyankopon enima enye yi ena Nyankopon so ma ho kwan a enye yi chise nyame pe ena ma ho kwan sana. And Sankofa means yen Sanko Yechi, Yankofa. Tiongu Biana, Ebia, or maybe Pio Hamuntimin call back to Africa. It's time some booting Aqua you move free. Now, I'm more at the almost better.
Okay,
because so that we understand who we are today.
Sure.
So to me, call Chico, who they be out free, you understand who we are today.
Wow. That's so nice. And Tina say African Americano who should be an slaves near Domo about more na a young kesa.
I mean, I say young kesa, but what I knew say young kesa had a big role to play. Young kesa as a city, had a bigger role to play in the furniture, slave trade. So I say, a big factory, old factory, and my ships back. Almost year, Sam Mobile, no Juma.
Okay.
Yes. Kitchen say a mill, meaning what kind of mill? I think so. I'm pretty sure. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
We will come there off a big crab. How
Definitely. A bit something.
Of I out Jebine, of a grandpa.
My miss slaves be your barber.
Who thinks I was slave to power? Who thinks I know people young come off it? One few body partners will be fresh Sophia Quanso. Well, first Sophia is a good friend to Quanso.
Nothing man,
that's an unknown mamma. I saw Bass and Bonnie Biam Sada. Jinyamina Sada has so sharp. Jinyam didn't make us so few. Jinyam Sada and a chica cracker. Jinyam Sada and a chica cracker. And we were a gun and a mapa. Baby, you free Luna.
This one money that you.
That the Obama, that the one we have a casse by that dear pa. It's Jinyam Sada and a chino. And I asked her because South Africa for Casa, South African and I said Kenyan, those East West South African phone language. And then we have Jinyami too as our friend and Bows and then which I say, we know black Americans, we know black American, common engineer, we know black Americans, so my Cruna day. Wow, I young Cassie, who saw any sugar nitrogen come. Your Baba be sending a story, say, I someone to some wolf, Muhu, now so many money at the edge because and ye is over now who chrome, say who chrome symbols, what I say, what will be brony my soul. I had baby, I said, United States of America, what in common I say, I in New York, on an important baby, New York on Potamo at ho baby. I had a slaves in me, but I be a me, and answer wow, Hemi, or Fabi, one and Nebby, or so I be PM ha, wouldn't him, because I had a 1685 and it's 1695. That is a way back.
It was a 10 years interval.
10 years intervals.
Yeah, from 1685 to 1695.
10 years.
We had that trade.
Wow. Until film Akumaku do any ton and ye offer for your ton almost do her now for this person. Wo, young found quail from, wo, young found quaha, wo, young found quaha. Oh, my bro, Yan and no job, Monsieur Google, my, and then no me the DNA, you better chalice. I am for bro, my brain, for more. Aha, sugar, million nitrogen, sugar, and then confirm you and say, I bet you more Ghana. Now,
Charlie Metia, me now for more Ghana, me now for more 37,
sure.
Hospital, Ridge Hospital, Nessie for more Ghana, you know, Charlie. Michiamunina, Miss Simon Yeramon, word you my dim from what Ghana mine. Yes, you be the abwa. There will only be more Ghana. Now tell better I have Ghana. Sugar now, what's saying? Can sugar social media? I want to make my follower. Yes, sugar, I will follow me on TikTok. One star boy, and I say star boy sugar. You know what I mean? And I'll call a friend and say, I'll call Facebook, Instagram. Now we search it. Bright Sugar. Bright in here BRYTE Sugar. Follow me
Who sugar na SH ni bia na say SU ni bia. Sugar na nkasa. Eh, na say pure sugar na nkasa. SUGAR ni bia what come na say. Until link him up na nyina nyere yen chite yen chat. Yankopon share sugar. God bless you so much. Yankopon share. Ah, Dafa TV. Cameraman and the will be there what say we are. See you on the flip side with now.
Oh yeah,
I say yes.